This is an overview of literally everything in the stock market that is important to us. And let me open up this one screen here very quickly. This will just take a second. We want to put in the year-to-date numbers here. There's the year-to-date numbers. And let's make sure they're ranked and stacked. So, want to finish up on this. This is one of the most important things we study here at Research Financial Strategies on a regular basis. One of the key things that we do different is we practice what's called sector rotation, and we rearrange your portfolio based on sectors and asset classes that are in strength. Very simple concept. It's what any football coach would do. You identify the sick player, you identify the injured player, you put them on the bench. Why is this important? This is the who's who of what you need to be aware of. Let me tell you what you're looking at. You're looking at the 10 economic sectors. If you can see the sectors that begin with the letters XL, there are 10 of them. They're the 10 S&P 500 sectors, and they all rotate, and some are more strong than others, and our job is to identify the ones in strength. Next, we have the major asset classes. We have the S&P 500, we have the equal weight S&P 500, we have IJH, which is mid-cap 400, we have IJR, which is small-cap 600, we have IWM, which is the Russell 2000, the 2,000 smallest stocks, and we have the famous Triple Q, your 100 largest NASDAQ stocks, not counting financials. We have a few other items in here that I think are extremely important. We have ITA, that is the aerospace and defense subsector. We also have in here the Dow, and I also mentioned IYT. IYT is extremely important. That's the transport averages, and we have copper, and we have housing. Copper is extremely important, and measuring the supply and demand of copper is a very, very important economic indicator, as is housing. What is this telling us? Let's jump to the conclusion here, because I don't want to waste your time. What this is telling us is that Triple Q is your top performing asset class, followed by XLK, technology, ITA, aerospace and defense, and XLY, consumer discretionary. Not to brag, but these top 4 positions are in your growth portfolio. The majority of our clients are in what we call regular growth, and regular growth currently includes Triple Q, XLK, ITA, and XLY. Our job is to study this on a daily basis, and if one of these positions falls out of favor, we put it on the bench and we put another one in its place. This is not a static analysis. This is not a buy and hold pie chart that we look at once a quarter, once a month, twice a year. This is something that we literally are looking at multiple times during the day. And when you get those trade confirms in the mail, and you see that we bought a position and sold a position, what drove that analysis, a lot of people have asked me, they've said, Jack, what is it that drives you when you make a decision to sell something or buy something? The answer's right here. It's called our heat map. My goal is to populate your portfolio with lots of green check marks and minimize the red dots. This chart is as simple as green is good and red is bad. And I hope this has been useful for you. As always, I want to thank you for your business. And if you have any thoughts, comments, questions, either give us a call or send us an email. Please don't be bashful. And if you find this useful information, pass it on to a friend. Thank you all and have a great evening.